Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and show you a pretty cool adapter that you may not have ever thought of having. Hey, but keep watching. I'll keep it short for you. We'll see you after this. First of all, what is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter? Well, I'm glad you asked. A 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter has two functions, an RX and a TX. Let me explain. In TX mode, the Bluetooth transmitter is plugged into a non-Bluetooth device, such as TVs, PCs, MP3 players, via auxiliary and RCA plugs. And it transmits audio to Bluetooth headphones, speakers, soundbars. But in RX mode, the Bluetooth receiver can connect to a wired speaker, earphones, and to receive audio from smartphones via Bluetooth. Whew. Now, I've been checking this Aisidra adapter out and found it very useful. But what's in the box? Let's take a look. Now, it comes with a 2-in-1 adapter, of course, along with a 3.5mm by 3.5mm jack cable and a 3.5mm female to RCA cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable and a great user guide. Now, you probably might have seen this and you might have thought that, wow, that's going to be a kind of a big adapter. Let me show you exactly what you're going to be looking at here. This is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but this thing little packs a punch. Hopefully you can see that good. Now, this is equipped with the latest Bluetooth chip. The 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter not only helps to upgrade your old audio devices to make them Bluetooth capable without replacing them, but also gives you crystal clear audio. Now, this has a low latency encoder applied. The audio delay has been minimized to approximately 40 milliseconds. The Bluetooth transmitter will present fully synchronized audio for your video. This actual device here, you're able to pair two different devices simultaneously, such as pairing two sets of Bluetooth headphones or use it with two Bluetooth speakers playing concurrently. Now, they say the installed battery on this will support the Bluetooth adapter for up to 10 hours for a full charge. I've been able to get it to do 11.5 hours, and on another time with heavy usage, it was about 8 hours. Now, the adapter could be plugged into power, which give it a charge while you're actually using it. So there's always that. Now, what's cool about this is you can even get two of these and pair them together. So, you have one that's going to transmit and one that's going to receive. So you can have the receiver with your headphones that aren't Bluetooth, or a TV that isn't Bluetooth transferring the sound. Now, this is for those that don't have any devices that are Bluetooth capable and just want to upgrade what you already have for a lot less money. And, instead of buying the new devices. I mean, it's always fun to buy new devices, but if you can't, this is a good way to go for that. I put this sucker through its paces, and I found it to work very well, even better than I expected it would. I mean, it was easy to pair, worked every time without dropping any audio, and no syncing concerns with the videos. Now, I used it with my car stereo, my NVIDIA Shield Pro, my Samsung phone, and surround system, and it just worked great. Now, I also have a pair of Bose Studio headphones I really like and love that they are now Bluetooth. Put them on. And plug it in. What? I can't hear you. Now, I really love that they're now Bluetooth capable by just pairing it to my NVIDIA and just plugging in my Bose into it, and it's done. It's one of those things I never thought I'd want or even needed. But I've been using it for quite a bit, and I'm finding different ways to use it. And maybe you would too. Now, I have a link in the description below. If you're interested in checking this out further, or if you already have one, do me a favor. Let me know in comments other ways that you have found using one of these. Hey, if you're not subscribed, this would be a good time to subscribe and maybe hit that like button. It helps the channel out a bunch, and it helps me out a bunch. I appreciate it so much. Hey, I appreciate it, guys. And I want to thank you so much. And remember to keep watching, because we're going to be giving away another item coming up soon. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when another drawing comes. See you on the next one. Have a great day.